Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your Instagram highlights. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we're going to open our Instagram account. When you click on open, you can see now the next step is come to your profile picture here. Click on it and you're going to see your highlight here. These are your highlights. So for you to create your highlight, you need to post it first. So what we need to do is click on this plus menu button and click on story highlight. Now new highlights. Now you need to do is okay, I'm going to click on this, click on next. Now you have to edit the cover. You can edit the cover how you want it and you can do it anyway. Once you're done, click on done, and after that click on done, and you can see turn your highlight into it. Click on not now and you're going to see that it's going to change. Now look at this page. So I'm going to refresh this page. You can see my highlight has changed. So if you wanted to add more picture to this highlight, what you need to do is click on the highlight. Once you click on the highlight, you just click on more, and you can see click on edit highlight, and you can see click on stories, and you can add more stories there. Just click on this, then click on done, and you can see your highlight has updated. Just click on it and you're going to see more than highlight. It's exactly like how you do your WhatsApp status. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video. Thank you guys.